Welcome to Sunday's Bitcoin update. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And unfortunately, we didn't have much volatile action on Bitcoin to be as expected from the last update. So let's get into it. So I am on the daily time frame for the macro picture. And again, really nothing has changed. What you really want to focus on is this daily origin level. So as you can see, this has been rejecting price for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than a week if we're including these as well. Coming into 2 weeks, and it's a heavy area of resistance, right? You have that on top of this suppression on the 4 hour that I evolved, and it looks like it's based off the daily, it might be going around to these 4 hour levels. So again, very important that this origin level breaks, but the fact that it's been tested numerous times, we can it's safe to assume that it's getting weaker, guys, right? So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so we have this untested 4 hour level here. Here's the origin. So I know there's some hard closes above it, guys, but remember, if we're looking at a daily resistance, we want daily hard closes above it to, evolve it or, become, or until it becomes invalid, right? So in this case, there's only a couple 4 hour candles that closed above it, three of them, but unfortunately, it couldn't hold much longer, which resulted in just a wick above the daily resistance, right? So, and that's what we're seeing. So, we have some origin levels here, origin levels there. So these are all tested. The only untested level is this daily 4 hour, I'm sorry, this 4 hour level here, this daily support. And really up to you if you want to mark the bodies or the wicks, right? It's again really up to you. You want to have be more conservative position. You would have, multiple ranges of buys around here if you're like a day trader, right? And and it's not a bad play, right? That's a legitimate play. You have that. You're approaching this 4 hour local apex, and you're gonna play that local uptrend up, right? So we're just gonna move this over here. We're gonna play locally, and we're going to evolve it, right? So here, and then right this red one. Let's make this blue so you know that's on the 4 hour. And as you can see, this was initially holding and now it's breaking below it. Let's go here. And then here you can see this is a perfect hard close on the downside, right? So if it's on the downside, it's a red candle close right below this uptrend, right? And when we lose uptrends, you're gonna go down to the support in the same respective time frame, which is around here. So these are really the untested levels here. So if you're looking into a quick trade, anyone that's day trading, you look into this area. You can even have buys around this region here. These are all supports. These are all origin supports. However, they are all tested. So just something to keep aware about. Now, if we keep this into consideration, we're going to see a similar price action with the altcoins. Okay, so the apex isn't happening until this coming week. So probably on the Wednesday's update, or if there's anything that may erupt, I will update you guys on the channel. So again, untested levels supports around this region, approaching the apex around the 8th of February, okay? And then from that point, honestly, I wouldn't even bother evolving this just yet until it goes around to this region, and then I would evolve it from there. So again, really not much to update here, but that's good, right? It's just giving us a chance to accumulate on supports that we've been meaning to get into these altcoins. And I know it's very boring, but these are the times where you start to accumulate, especially for those altcoins that have been moving sideways for quite some time, because Bitcoin has on a macro time frame has been actually moving pretty sideways in this daily region, right? So yeah, so that's pretty much the update, guys. I will see you on the altcoin update in a bit. See ya.